Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be checking out Samsung's first Pro keyboard made for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The retail price is $400. Comes in two different colors, silver and gray to match the colors of the Tab. I personally have the silver. This has been a highly anticipated accessory that has a metal finish here, trackpad as well, very similar to their Galaxy Book laptop series. So I am both excited and expectant of this device considering the price of it. Let's see what we get in the box. On top, we have our keyboard. Looks like that's all we have in the box. Found a little bit of paperwork included with this. And we'll check out the gray one too here. Now here is our first proper look at this Pro keyboard. Very interesting form factor here. Never seen a keyboard accessory like this before, but on the inside here, at least, we have a metal finish on these. We also have some metal on these hinges. We have a decently sized trackpad on this, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Book 6 Pro, their 14-inch laptop. And what sounds like, I would say, a good enough clicking experience here. Now, something I'm interested about with this initially is because it doesn't have much of a back cover to it, it does feel pretty lightweight considering what you're getting here. Doing a quick weight check on this, 646 grams. And this Ultra Tab is actually pretty lightweight and thin considering how large it is. So switch over to pounds here, just under 3 pounds with this whole entire package. We'll take a quick physical tour before we plug this in here. We have our Pogo connector pins on the back of this. You can see here with the Tab S11 Ultra, we have those pins there on the rear of the tablet. So it is worth mentioning that on last year's Tab S10 Ultra, that will not be compatible with this keyboard because we have the Pogo pins on the bottom of the tablet instead. But now let's go ahead, actually plug this in. So first try here, that plugs in perfectly fine. See here, keyboard connected. Honestly, looks like a laptop here. So there was a pretty secure click there when I connected it. Seems like it has pretty good connection here. Let's try to just close this like a laptop, see if that works. Wow, that works really nice actually. And first impressions of this folded up, it definitely does feel heavier. It just feels like you have two of these Tab S11 Ultras stacked on top of each other since they're pretty much the same weight. But I would say compared to a laptop, still a very slim form factor overall, has a nice consistent feel here between the tablet and the keyboard. I will say, however, on this plate here, this feels to be plastic on the outside. There's also some rubber edging on this here, so really nice to have it on the table. And now opening this back up, I think it's going to be a two-handed experience here to open this. Honestly, feels very similar to a laptop, and there's a fair amount of versatility as far as how you want to angle this. But as far as your furthest back position here, this looks to be a pretty standard angle. And turning this to its side here, you can see the magnets and the connection is holding here actually. This is crazy. Oh, okay. But this is actually really easy to connect and take out. You just pull it straight up and out. And comes out nicely, has a strong magnetic connection here, so you do need a little bit of force actually to get that out, but I do appreciate that. So initially here, this seems to be a pretty promising keyboard. Of course, we have the 120 hertz refresh rate on this tablet, so really smooth scrolling experience here. Of course, we have all of our swipe gestures here, so no problem with the trackpad. Now, as far as the typing experience on this, feels very similar to the past generation book cover keyboard cases for these Ultra tablets. It actually feels a little bit better than Samsung's laptop keyboards in my opinion. Just a slight bit more of key travel. And honestly, writing notes and typing on this Ultra tablet specifically has been one of my favorite typing experiences on the market of any mobile device. So I would say this keyboard is feeling promising here initially. Now, it's also a huge selling point for me and honestly a must-have at this price. We do have backlit keys on this keyboard, thank goodness. Here's a look at the keyboard backlighting here. This is on the brightest setting. So there are 3 different options here as far as your brightness. On video, it looks pretty well lit. I will say in person, it is on the dimmer side. And then here's a look at it with the screen on. And then here's a look at the gray keyboard with the backlighting. I'd say it looks pretty similar to the silver. I think it could definitely be brighter. If you compare this side by side with the iPad Pro's keyboard, you can see how much brighter this iPad Pro keyboard is. However, there is a bigger trackpad on the Samsung. We have slightly larger function keys, and some of the keys on the sides are larger, but overall pretty similar typing experiences as far as just your average typing, and I would say a little more key travel on the iPad, but pretty similar setups here, honestly, even though pretty different here having the whole back cover on the iPad. Only an ounce lighter, pretty similar weight overall on this 13-inch iPad compared to this 14.6-inch Tab S11 Ultra. And using this on the lap is a night and day difference compared to the iPad. So for those who may not be aware here, you can see here, pretty top heavy on this device. So if you'd be using the touchscreen, you can see it's about to fall off my lap here if I'm not keeping a hold of it. So honestly, it's been kind of annoying to use this 13-inch iPad Pro in the lap. Thanks to this extra bit in the back here, it keeps it steady on your lap. So even though it has a bit of a larger footprint, it overall just has a better feel and experience on the lap for sure. Taking a look at the S Pen experience on this, you do have a little bit of wobble on the screen. You can put some pressure against it actually, which is really nice. So really liking the design of this overall. You can actually put some weight on this S Pen and it stays upright for you. Has a great opening and closing experience here. Feels great on the table because of this mounting portion in the back, as well as the rubber edging here has a really secure feel on the table. So I understand it's very high pricing, but it is the best option for this Tab S11 Ultra now. And I feel like this keyboard is made specifically for me. I've explained in previous reviews of this tablet that it feels like you have a laptop screen that you can just go ahead and take off of your keyboard. So to now have an option to make it more like a laptop experience, as well as having one of the best tablets on the market, honestly. This has been one of my most used Samsung devices aside from the foldables as of recent. So I am happy to have a pretty solid keyboard option here for this Tab S11 Ultra now. So that's a first look at Samsung's first Pro keyboard. I'll have links to it in the description below if you're interested. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below. Be sure to give a like on your way out, and thanks so much for watching. Take care.